In this video, I will show you how to add an indicator in TradingView. To do this, simply go and open up a chart. For example, I'll open up Tesla right here and go to the full chart. From there, first go to indicators at the top, and they already have a few built in. So under technicals and then indicators, you can see a few default ones that TradingView has built in. So if it's right here, you can just go and select it. For example, if you want to do momentum, you can click on it and it will then be added. Now, if you want to add a different one, there are basically two options. The first one is to look for the community one, and the other one is to create it yourself. But if you click on the search bar and you just start typing the name of the indicator, or for example, I'll just do a random letter, then under technicals, they will have the technicals, but they also have a bunch of community ones that the community created. So just find the one you want to use, for example, price to cash flow ratio. And if I add that in, you will then be able to find it right here. So that's for the community ones and the ones that are built in. You can also create one yourself, so your own indicator, by creating your first script, which you can do here in the Pine editor. So now you know how to add an indicator in TradingView. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.